Hello, myself Ganesh. Today I will discuss about how to how to use. Suppose we have one process is there 9100. Port number is already in use. Today we will discuss about a brief introduction. I will zoom it. CD. This is my DMGR path, that is VAS9 installed under DMGR under logs under DMGR. We can use ls space hyphen LTR. This is the 25th. I have faced an issue with port number 9100. Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. This file vim systemout.log 2509 2025. This I open this and search 9100. This is we faced already in use. Okay, this is the socket port number, listening socket port number. It will be there in server index.xml. I will show you server index.xml. I will go to the configuration part, config, under cells, under DMGR cell, under nodes, under DMGR node, and here there is server index.xml is there. In this XML, we can use, say, vim server index.xml. You can use, this is ORB object request broken. This is the most important listening address. Okay. This also must should be bind the port number. Otherwise, it will be used. If not bind, this also we may get error. So this is the most important. See, this is the error we are facing. The real time. This is the real time issues we are facing. This is my personal server. Okay, this is my personal server. We are facing DMGR issue in my personal server. Will copy paste in this is the commands I used. Okay, this cannot be already in use. This port number is already used. Which port number? I will show you practically. I have prepared a script also for this. This is the error. While starting the DMGR, this is error we are faced in the real-time scenarios. So I prepared a script. I am going to the script path and see this is port number is available or not and port is running or not. You can use slash and this port is free means port number is not in use. We can confirm by using the port is running.sh script. See port 9100 it not in use. Okay, we can verify one more time by using ps-ef pipe symbol grep 9100. Port number is not in use. We can use lsof on list to open files 9100. Port number is not in use. So we can go to the root user and if root user we need to contact Linux team for the root access. If need root access, we need to raise incident or RITM ticket or service ticket, service based ticket, service based ticket, service based ticket or survey based ticket for root access in one of the root access for one of the host or IP address. IP address. We need to contact Linux team for root user. Okay. So after that, they give if need to required, then only you need to ask. You need to ask. You need to ask. Okay. So I log in the root user and type the and use this password. Use this command. Port number is not in use and F user. Port number is not in use. Okay. List of open files. It will run on VAS admin or VAS ADM or any user. See port number is not in use. Okay. Already we have prepared a script for that. I will explain the script. I will open the script and I will explain port is available or not here. A variable 9100 and a list of open files and TCP transmission control protocol. And if port number is there, we can kill user by PID, you can kill -9 PID, or else port number is free. Okay, you can use this script. in everywhere. This script you can use in production or non-production servers. Before production, we need to test. You can test the lower environment. This this is there. Say we can declare a variable. Say port number is currently used or port number is free. We can declare variable like this and meant like this. You can test. I will test one more time. Port is running or not, port number is free, not in use, port is available or not. Yes, port is free, port is available, you can use that. And most important port numbers in the WebSphere means most important port numbers in IBM WebSphere application server. First one is ORB listening port number. And a TCP port number. TCP port number and a UDP port number also we can use. And go to WebSphere IBM WebSphere and app server profiles. Under that DMGR, under the config, under that cells, under that DMGR cell nodes, CD DMGR node ls space -ltr open server index.xml. Use most important is object request broken. And this also most important cell discovery port number. This is the one of the interview question for in IBM WebSphere application server. This is the most important interview question. This is most recent interview question. Cell discovery port number and no discovery port number. Most important. Okay, and TCP. I told right, TCP and UDP. This is the most port number in IBM WebSphere application servers. UDP means you and suppose UDP is this is the fast communication, but not secure. But not secure. This is secure and and low transmission rate. Low transmission rate in every organization, every load balancer. We can use this. We can use this TCP means very fast communication is established. This is the most important in the real-time scenarios. This is the data power. Data power we cannot use. Means we can use this is the I using this DMGR1 and localhost listening address, and I will go to node discovery port number and go to CD app server 1 node 1 vim server index.xml. And I go to cd app server 1 cd count. See, this is the path cd ibm WebSphere App Server profiles app. This is the one of the most important. This is the one of most what is the latest issues we are facing is this is the port number we are latest we have fixed the issue. We can use this as a reference examples. You can take this is the reference example. And node discovery port number is node discovery port number is 7272. This is the most important cell discovery and node discovery most important 7277. This is the most recent interview questions. Most recent interview question. This is the repeated interview question. This also is there 7277. Where it is there in server index.xml only. I will find out. See, node discovery port number 7272 node discovery port number. That it will be used in real time scenario also. This is most important port number 7277 node discovery address 7272 most recent interview question in one of the repeated interview question. And one more interview question is there. One more interview question is there. And this is the most interview question. Bootstrap port number also we can use before federation and after federation we can use bootstrap port number. This also most important. Most after federation 2810. Before federation 2809 is the port number. We can use this as the most recent interview question in real time scenarios. And one more thing is there. Yes, this is the most important. This two for SSL purpose. This is the most interview question. SSL. This is the my SSL authentication. Why this is the most important. Remaining thing is normal. Okay, 9081, 9081, 9061. These are the default host. This is declared under virtual host. Virtual host is nothing but all port numbers or URLs must should be configured under the virtual host. Okay, what is the virtual host? What is the virtual host? In the WebSphere, in the IBM WebSphere Application Server, in IBM WebSphere Application Server, virtual host, nothing but all port numbers, and URLs will be registered under the under the under the virtual host under that and default and host alias click new and fill the properties name as the IP address or host name, or we can use star, and a value we can use port number 9100 or 9081/9445 or etc. You can declare variables like this in IBM WebSphere Application Server. I will show you the where it is there. HTTPS 160.250.146.9043/IBM/console. You can declare the variable curl space -k -i 302. It will comes. Connection is refused. So I will use PS-F pipe symbol grab DMGR. See, DMGR is stop. Okay. I will run the DMGR direct command profiles under DMGR under the bin start manager.sh is the script. Any doubts, please reach out to me in the chat. This is the most interview question. What are the latest issues we are facing in the real time? Means already port number we can use already. So we have resolved this port number related issues in my real time issues production environment. We can say this is the one of the issues, and this is the commands we are using in the real time scenarios. This is the commands we are using in the real time scenarios, or we can use I will show you how to add port numbers in the virtual host. This is my personal server. Go to virtual host and default host and host alias. And we have declare variables like here. Like this, you can use variables here. This is my production server and this is my development server. This is my integration server. Everything is there. We can practice in my environment. Okay, like this you can use in the real-time scenarios. And I will show you one of the example in HTTPS 250.146.164 or 444. You can use port number is already there or not. Say port number is not available, so we can use. We have using two port numbers. One port number is down. We can use another port number for security purpose. IHS is down, so OPT IBM HTTP server under that bin admin CTL start and use. Admin means operations. We can use. We can monitor the console. Go to the console. See, I will show you. I am not started IHS. I started only admin server. See, I started from the console by using admin CTL command. See, now it will started. Now we can use application is running or not. We can verify application is working fine. This is my SSL certificate. This is my organization name. IT Middleware Technologies is my organization name. I created the certificate August 24th. Okay, and I will renewal next year August 12th. 1 week or 2 weeks before we can renewal the certificate. We are getting the email communication for this. Based on the email communication, we can renewal the certificate by using GSK CMD or using IK man tool or using GSK copy command or IK CMD commands are there. Based on that, you can resolve the SSL issues. And one more thing I will show you. For this issue, we can lot of issues we are facing. See, stopping. This is the application issues we are thinking about. This is application issue. Not, no, DMJAR is not running. This is not application issues. Don't think like that. We can just this is the code is there. We can search online from the code. Okay, see, there are a lot of issues. Application profile is stopping everything, but this is not application issues. This is the DMJAR server issues. Okay. Say port number is already used. See, an error occurring, stopping, and the high available packaging. This is not related to application or this is not related to plugins. Okay, the only port number is already used. Okay, be careful in the system mode.log. Be careful while looking in the error. Be careful for that. And if not use, you can reach out to IBM team. For that, we can they are using some their IBM team assistance server is there. Based on that, they are solving the issues. This is the most critical issues where I am facing in my production environment. My production means my private server. So I have resolved this in 20 minutes. Taken time for resolving this. So I first of all process is not running. But I go to the sudo users, go to the root user, and I kill the process by using the command. This is the command, most important command. By using this command, I have killed the process in the root. This is by using this, command in the root user, we have killed the process, kill the process, kill the process, and again started the DM jar. It's working fine. It's working fine. No issues reported. No issues reported. Still now from 25th September 25 onwards, no reported, no server issue reported, no server issues reported. We have we have monitor the server using the dashboard Grafana, or we have recently created the dashboard. I will show you the dashboard, and I have one dashboard is there. I recently I configured or a Prometheus dashboard. This is the dashboard JSON. Dashboard is there. Where I created a dashboard, I forgot. CDMNT. Mm, This is the logs. Okay. I will show you in the next class where I installed. Uh, I will show you 9100. 1 minute 160.146.164 9090 Prometheus dashboard. This is my Prometheus dashboard. And one more thing, Grafana dashboard. This is number of bytes in use. Number of by I using Prometheus dashboard on my particular server. How much CPU utilization is there? How much process is running? You can use everything in my dashboard. See, total CPU utilization is 8.37. Okay, process status 49. And this is the residence port. Now part is like this. We can use. Okay, like this. I configure Prometheus and Grafana dashboard. And this is the Prometheus dashboards. And the Prometheus dashboard, we can configure our query and this handling. And one more thing is there, node exporter is there. By using node exporter, we can run how much CPU utilization will source in the dashboard. But I forgot the path where I installed Prometheus and Grafana. So next class I will show you how to create the dashboard in Grafana by using existing WebSphere application server. Grafana port, Grafana port number 3100, I think 3000 HTTPS 160.250.146.1. I forgot the password. Wait, one thing. Or we can use. mm, I'm not resetting. Take time, I think, for resetting the password. Okay. It will take time, I think. Not getting any email for this. Okay. I will show. This is the Grafana dashboard. I configure my private server into the Grafana dashboard. Okay. For this, can you go to the I will show you how to if a Grafana dashboard is running or not. I will show you. systemctl status. Prometheus is running. No issues. Prometheus monitoring tool. Grafana. Yes, this also running. This is user lib. User has been okay. I don't know. This is the Grafana server. This is the Grafana CLI. This is Grafana. Not open. Not opening. This is the path configuration path etc Grafana. Okay. This is the Grafana. Vim Grafana.ini. This is the path. If anything changes, we can use this. This is our data source. Prometheus data source. Most important this is the load module and yellow Prometheus dashboard. Okay. Performance wise, we can use this monitoring purpose. You are connecting data source by using Prometheus in the Grafana dashboard, and we are connecting to the database and retrieve the server information. This is the most important thing in the real-time scenarios. They are monitoring by using Prometheus dashboard or using Grafana dashboards. And one more thing is there. CD etc Prometheus and Vim Prometheus.yml. This is the job name and all the things are there. Static and localhost 9090. Okay, this is the Prometheus dashboard, and we can configure like this job name and targets. Okay, and a metrics CD consoles. This is node CPU Vim node CPU.html. See, this is the node CPU utilization. Okay, they are taking here CPU. Okay, Prometheus. This is the XML. This is HTML file. In the dashboard, we can use like this CPU utilization and all the things by using this. And node Vim node hyphen disk and a node disk space. By using a Prometheus dashboard, we can use average timeout and all the things. Okay, by using this only we can retrieve the all the things. Okay, Now I will stop the sharing. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are attending WebSphere interview questions and answers, please reach out to me. Okay. If any issues, please reach out to me in the chat or in the video chat. I will be available